Hi! In front of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Over here. Now scroll all the way down again, click on Emergency Contacts, and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Then tap on Desired one. I will go with this one. In order to add the other one, tap on Add Emergency Contact again, click on the second one, and even a third one. In order to remove one of them, just click on red icon next to the chosen one. Remember to click on this switcher next to Show Info when locked if it's gray, to enable emergency contact on your locked screen. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on and tap on Emergency SOS. I can see that my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!